Today we had the chance of walking with the Bishops of Orange through the worksite for the new St. Callistus Chapel, and it has been a great joy to be able to share with them the progress in construction and in the artwork that's going to decorate the space. We are now standing in what will be the sanctuary of the chapel. The altar will be placed here. It's going to be carved out of white marble and a very unique blue marble that's related to lapis lazuli. Opposite the burial places is going to be a very large mosaic of the Good Shepherd. And this is a very unique iconographic motif because we have chosen to represent Jesus, taking it out of St. John chapter 10-11. The two side chapels are going to be dedicated, one to the history and the legacy of the Diocese of Orange. The opposite chapel would be a devotional chapel, and this will be dedicated to the universal call to sanctity. And we will have a variety of saints from all walks of life, all times, to represent the universality of the call to sanctity.